Welcome to today's quiz session. If you work with electrical motors, this is going to be fun and educational. We're diving into electrical motors and testing your knowledge with 10 quick questions. This quiz will cover the essentials every engineer should know. Grab a pen, note your answers, and see how many you get right. Ready? Let's start with question 1. Question number 1. What is the main reason for slip in an induction motor? Question number 2. Which induction motor provides highest starting torque? Question number 3. If an induction motor reaches synchronous speed, what happens? Question number 4. At full load, which loss is dominant in an induction motor? Question number 5. Rotor bars in a squirrel cage motor are used to. Question number 6. Which motor is inherently not self-starting? Question number 7. If supply frequency decreases at constant voltage, motor flux will. Question number 8. Which test is used to predetermine efficiency of an induction motor? Question number 9. Start delta starter is mainly used to. Question number 10. Continuous overheating of a motor mainly affects. Awesome job completing the electrical motor quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you enjoyed this quiz and learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe for more engineering content. Got a topic you want me to cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.